We focus on safety and convenience of the consumer in everyday life, with everyday products and services. So let's say you're at work, but your parcel is about to be delivered to your home. As soon as the deliverer arrives, he sends a message to the homeowner with our Den Smart app. She receives a notification on her smartphone. Her package will be delivered shortly. From supermarket deliveries to home care and delivery services, Den's Smart Lock is the solution. When you're not there to open your door, but want to enable your deliverer to drop off your parcel just over the threshold of your front door, or choose to grant caregivers access to your home so they can take care of you or your loved ones. After they leave, the Den Smart Lock automatically locks again. Den. Safety with ease, everywhere. Let's unlock the potential together.